with me, nagbabalik, Miss Jamie Lim. Hindi tayo nagkausap ever since nung uli tayo nagkita. Pero ang balita ko, you're now a courtside reporter sa PBL. How's does it feeling na, of course, mapabiling ka na sa sports media katulad ko?
Fresh na fresh, syempre. I just started nung Thursday. And it's a different challenge, syempre. Kasi on the other side of the interviews naman ako, but I'm enjoying it.
Pero of course, you're also part of the starting lineup, yung sa pag-show sa One Sport. So, parang gamay mo yung pagkwento natin sa ating mga national athletes na yun. Does it feel na mapabilang ka na sa sports media?
I really love kasi sharing the stories, of course, of our athletes. And I'm a newbie in the media world, so I try to look up to Sinabroom and Dip. They help me out a lot, and Cheska. So I just take as much advice as I can and then do my best.
So actually, we are now here sa Manuel Begillas Cup and mukhang na-miss mo na talaga yung maglaro ng karate. So what's the latest from now at na-miss mo na ba yung feel na, of course, nandun ka na sa mats, nagko-compete na yon? Sadly, hindi ka nakapag-join dito sa event.
Yeah, of course. Ang hirap kasi busy na sa work. But of course, I want to be here to support naman my teammates, and also I want to see all the kids then play. And balita ko kasi si Coach Okay nandito, so dinayo ko talaga siya. I just want to see him.
Okay, Ma'am Jamie, with regards na sa inyong status sa national team, you're still part of the pool right now, or if there's any sign na, or opportunity na makapaglaro nga for some international competitions along the way, are you willing to accept? Kasi you've been busy right now sa work ninyo, and at the same time, may mga racket pa along the way.
Yeah, I'm still a part of the pool naman, and I'm in constant communication with my coaches naman. And so I'll take it day by day, given yung mga schedule sa work and sa competition. So I was...
Lastly, of course, this Begillas Cup is actually a great opportunity for our Pinoys na makapag-compete sa mismong home crowd in the international stage against doon sa mga nagko-compete internationally. Ano ang masasabi niyo rito sa ating ongoing Begillas Cup?
I'm actually here for the first time this sport, and it's so amazing. It's so big. Pang-international talaga siya, and so proud. And I hope our Filipinos learn a lot talaga from this competition.
Alright, Miss Jamie, may gusto kayo pasalamatan, and of course, ipromote mo na rin yung mga bago programs niyo, chef.
Oh yeah, guys, watch kayo ng PBL, Courtside Reporter ko doon, sa starting lineup. Follow me guys sa Instagram, and also cheer for our Filipino karate athletes, especially in this coming SEA Games.
Alright, thank you, Jamie. Nice catching up with you, and see you soon.